positive thinking, you must understand that positive thinking is part of your life, because if you think positively, you are going to succeed in life. But if you think negatively, you are going to fail. What do I mean by that statement? Positive thinkers are people that see themselves in the midst of failure and they are moving forward. Negative thinkers are people that see themselves in the midst of failure and they believe that they can never succeed in that field again. In other words, thinkers that think positively are the kind of people that want their life to be transformed, to be renewed on daily, weekly, or yearly basis, because they are thinkers and they are somebody that can think fast in the journey of life. If you are not someone that can think fast in the journey of life, you can never succeed in the whole of life. Why? Because you must change your thinking to become somebody that is thinking positive in life. If you are thinking positive always, life will give you what you want. But if you think negative always, you will not get anything in life. Positive thinkers are people that can think and see that things are coming and think that change are coming towards it. Because if you don't see changes coming towards you, you can never succeed in life. You must be able to see that change is coming towards you and you are coming towards the changes. If you are not coming towards the changes, that means you are not going far in the journey of life. I believe that people that are positive thinkers, they are people that can think. They are solution oriented. They look for the solution all the time. They don't look for the problem. They don't look for obstacle. They look for a way out in every situation. And once they are looking for a way out in every situation, it has shown to them that they are solution thinker. They are people that can think very well. Because in life, you must be able to think very well on everything that you do for you to become a successful person. You must be a positive thinker in everything that you do in your life, because this will help you to move forward in life. If you are someone that cannot think positively and you don't see yourself as a people that can succeed, that means you are a failure and you are failing in life. In life, you must understand that things will come towards you. What you think is what you are going to see. Like, I believe that this will survive most of my listeners. And try to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information about this. Please be a man or positive thinker. Be a woman or positive thinker. Thank you.